What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Man, I'm going to do a really cold start of the Volvo convertible. Yes, I still have it. I have only had one couple come look at it, and they didn't really like it. I may have it until spring, and if I do, that's fine. I don't care. But this thing's been sitting for about 2 weeks without being started. And we've had, single digit weather here. It has warmed up today though, but I wanted to make sure this thing would still crank, and I want to take it for a little freeway jaunt. I haven't had it out on the freeway, really, so I want to kind of get it up to speed. Let's crank her up. Well, that was uneventful. 65 miles till empty. Don't have a lot of gas. Man, this thing, it's got headlamp washers. This thing has HID bulbs, which I'm not used to seeing those on a Volvo. Let's see, let's get some defrost going. Have a little foggy going on here. Holy crap. Yeah, let's see if we can even drive this thing. Sorry so loud. Just want to clear the fog quickly. We'll get a little freeway action on this one. It's Wednesday night, the 28th of December. We got the auction in the morning. I got a couple of things on radar. One of them being a Golf Sport Wagon. Yeah! Y'all remember my silver 2016 Sport Wagon from a couple of years ago? Man, I love that car. There's a nice used one at the auction. I've got a preview video for you guys coming up. But yeah, I'm going to be bidding on that and a couple other little things. Save those and let them be surprises. Who knows? May not get a darn thing. Still got the Passat. Sold the, sold the BMW, sold the Mercedes CDI. Those are the last two I sold. So I still got the Passat, this convertible, the light blue 6-speed Elantra, and of course the Lexus is still inside the garage. We haven't even attempted to work on it anymore. Just don't have time right now. We're going to wait until the weather starts to warm back up a little bit. But like I said, no rush on it. We don't really care. A lot of people have asked about the S350, so I'll just tell you that we are in no rush, no hurry. Really don't care. So it's just sitting there inside the warehouse, being protected, staying beautiful, because when it is fixed, it sure is going to be something else. Alright, let's get this thing out on the road. Get it out on the road. Alright, let's get her out here on the freeway a little bit and stretch her legs. I kind of like this convertible. It's very cozy. It's got very comfortable, amazingly comfortable seats. And they're heated, and it's just got, real cool kind of coupe. Well, it is a coupe. It's a coupe where the hardtop goes down. I don't know, I just like it. I have plenty of leg room in it. It handles pretty good. I like the old car. I think it could use a few little things to be perfect, for sure. But yeah, I mean, man, this thing's a cruiser. Just a cruiser. I just hadn't really had it up to any speed to speak of. We're coming through downtown Chattanooga, about to cross the Tennessee River. This is downtown. Oh, there's my fuel light. Well, I guess I'll stop and put some gas in her. Might as well. Might even throw a little premium in her. Oh, the police is getting on the interstate with me. I better slow down. Actually, I'm going to put my phone down for a minute. Yeah, the police was getting on the interstate right back there. So all you missed was me crossing the Tennessee River, but you would have never been able to know. You couldn't tell. It's too dark. Once you get out of Chattanooga right here and go past this exit right here, it gets rural very fast. I mean, it gets rural quick. This is the last exit before it becomes Tennessee country. My brother-in-law has a lake house up here in Middle Tennessee on a lake called Watts Bar. A great place, man. You want to talk about quiet Middle Tennessee, out in the country, just unbelievably peaceful. It's so nice out here in Rockwood, Tennessee. Drop about an hour and a half north, just straight up this highway here, just into the dead heart of Tennessee. And man, it's beautiful up there. You don't get really any cell phone. I mean, you get cell phone service on this main road, but when you turn off the main road to say like go to his lake house, you drive the few miles off the beaten path and no service. So it's kind of nice. You don't have cell service. You're just out in the country, nice and peaceful. All right. Going up a pretty sharp incline, giving the Volvo the beans. Pretty good. Oh yeah, it did it. It pulled it. We're up to about 80. I'll set the cruise again. Gonna cruise along about 80. Yeah, she's really smooth. She's a cruiser. Really about 82 miles an hour. And the hardtop on this convertible seals up really nice. Volvo convertible. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I can get this thing sold soon. I'd take about $5,000 for it. So anyway, let me know if you know anybody that wants one. Rust-free Tennessee, Georgia car from new. Everything works on it. Just a little creak coming from the passenger window. Y'all have a good night. We'll see you next time. Peace.